Hey, what's up? This is Khalid and welcome to JS After Effects tutorial channel and welcome to another different video. This video is just for logo glitch logo review template how to edit, and you can download or find the link description in video. Let's play. So if you need to edit this template, go to project, expand, edit composition, and there you can find your logo. Double click here, download the logo and select your logo. Hold Alt key on keyboard and drag and drop on the previous logo. So in next, if you need to edit the tagline here, take a look just After Effects. Double click here, write your tagline here. And if you need to add audio, music, double click. You can add your audio of logo animation right there. So you can find this project in YouTube for description. Let's play again. Don't forget like, subscribe the channel all the time.